Hey guys, guess who I have? Tay-Tay, the tater tot. Look at her. Look at how cute she is. She's so cute. She's so cute. Yes, she's Tay-Tay. She is a little tater tot. That's what she looks like. And if you guys want to see videos with her, go... Oh, her nails are very sharp. I need to cut them. But if you guys want to see videos of her, go check out Animal Time and link in the description below. Video I'll be reviewing this charger, and you're probably wondering, no, why are you reviewing a charger? It's because someone actually sent this to me. So she sent it to me, and this is what it looks like, and it's a 4-in-1 charger, which I don't know how that's possible. Made for iPhone charger, and that's pretty much what it is. So that's what I'm gonna go review. Let's just undo it. Whoa, it looks really nice. Oh my goodness. So let's undo it, and I guess there's a thing to undo it. Whoa. Okay, let's see. How does this work? How does this work? Okay, does it like... Oh, so you basically pull it. You pull it like that. You just do that. And if you want to take it off, you could just... I think you could take it off, I think. Can you? I don't know. I guess you can take it off, but you can plug this into your iPhone or anything you have. Or when you want it to be back in there, you can do that. So I'm going to go grab my computer and I'm going to go charge. I am using my MacBook, and as you guys can see, it's charging. And I am using this with this. And, oh, it's turning color. That's pretty cool. And I do like this, and I like how it's like not so bend. It doesn't bend. That's pretty cool. That's what I like. Lightning connector, and then I'm just gonna plug it into my AirPods. And as you guys can see, it's orange because it's currently dead. See, I'm gonna plug it in right here. Oh, it's pretty cool. I'm definitely gonna use this, and I like it so much because it has a light, and plus it can't bend, and that's pretty cool. So I hope you guys like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.